Hi viewers, today we're looking at the MD5 function within MySQL Workbench, which encrypts a text value or of any sort within MySQL. So first of all, we're going to use the world database, and then we're going to select all from city. As C, I'm going to use the alias name of C for city, and just see what data we have in there. So we can, as you can see, we've got the district, we've got the city name and the country code. Now I want to, let's say, encrypt the district names, and to do this I'm going to put a comma at the end and enter MD5 tab, and within that I'm going to type in C dot district, and that's going to come up with a calculated field at the end of the table with the district column encrypted. So as you can see on the far right column, the district column has been encrypted for all those named within the city table, and that's the MD5 function within MySQL Workbench.